people missed you.
Yeah, I missed you guys too.
Morning.
Morning.
So that's how it happens. I shooted something today. So the biggest problem for me is I think it's like a kind of my personal problem, because I always think about the content I'm going to show you, and it's kind of question every single day what I'm going to post today, and then the next day coming and something happens in my life. It's not like I'm sitting at home and watching like TV shows. I haven't watched any TV shows since, I don't know, since 3 months. Tuak? Oh, car full of tuak. There is gonna be a big party. Yeah, come here! Come here! Hey, hey! Yeah! Swim! Yeah! Just come! Yeah, enjoy us! Join us! Yeah, yeah! Come, come, come! Yeah! Swim, 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 swim! Come here! Come, come! Just come here! Hey! Don't swim back! Come here! Oh, where you go? Let's go diving! Waiting for you underwater. Yeah, we were waiting you. Why didn't you come? Why? What happened? We were waiting you for a really good 10 minutes. Yeah. Soon we will dive dogs because people no left on the island. Come on. Super cool.
Just practicing every day.
You originally are from here?
Yeah, I'm
from
originally
Amed.
from here. I'm live in your Lasti, you know?
Yeah, Melasti. Yeah.
I've lived before that.
Oh, cool. So no job in Kuta now?
Yeah, I still have a job in Kuta, but not working already 8 months.
8 months?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
I've
That's
left
really bad. The thing is that I came to the beach with no ideas what I will post today. And then I met that guy. I saw the guys fishing, which probably is not really usual for you. Then we got something from diving today. And a beach by itself is beautiful actually. And if I just show you it, I think you are just happy about that things. I'm just trying to show you something you missed at the moment. And look at that. beautiful volcano. Every day different. It's not the same every day. And then look at that small fisherman boat passing by. It's also not the really usual thing. So I can just go out with a camera and just show you what's going on around. And that's the great thing. It's like endless content for my vlog, and it plays around my creativity. And the one really big portion of my vlog is actually editing. The music, the way I see the things. I'm just trying to share something with you. Night veggie session. We came to get our veggies. Yeah. Strawberries. Veggies for us. Looks like contraband. But it's not, it's just veggies. Bye.
Hello.
That's it for today's vlog. I have some big plan for tomorrow. And probably I'm a little bit crazy, but that's how I'm living. All my life is a little bit crazy. As you remember, yesterday we did all this paddle board stuff, and I started to feel a little bit confident, and immediately got an idea to paddle all the way from Amed beach to Japanese wreck and back, and film something about the reefs. The one thing what I learned from my friends in the Philippines, they always been, after diving, they always went out for snorkeling. They spend hours in water, and I think they saw even more than me while diving. I think I did the announcement for tomorrow vlog already, right? So yeah, tomorrow, paddle board, mask, snorkel, and a lot of paddling and swimming on our reefs in Amed. See you tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Follow Instagram and Facebook, and subscribe YouTube channel, please. See you.